My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit the bell, okay? That way, each and every time a new video is uploaded, you'll be the first to know. Now, our video on today, we are creating, giving our first impressions and reviewing all of the products. Well, not all, but the products that have come in this month's Beem Box, okay? And of course, the first thing that we do is tell you which products we did not use. Now, we didn't use two of them, okay? The first one that we did not use was the Only New York, and this one is the Revitalizing Eye Cream. The only reason I have not used it yet is because I'm currently still using one, okay? But for those of you who would like information regarding this product, this is the Only New York Revitalizing Eye Cream. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $42, and it is vegan and cruelty-free. And guess what? It's a woman-owned company, y'all. Okay, so that's the first one we didn't use. Now, the second one that we didn't use is by Bella Pierre, and this is the mascara. Now, for those of you who are familiar with my channel, you already know, but to those of you who are new, I do not open mascaras until I am ready to use them because they have such a small shelf life, okay? So I want to be able to get all the use out of my products, so that's the only reason I don't open them. But this one is the Pompous Lash Volumizing Mascara, and this one is $20, and this one is also vegan and cruelty free. Now, one of the other things that I did like about this that was explained to us in our description card, it says that even though this is a mascara, the company says they think this mascara fits better for a fluffy, full eyebrow look. So not only is it a mascara, but it also helps to really take your brows to the next level, okay? So that is the next item, and the second item, which we did not use. Everything else in the box we used to create this look, and if you'd like to see just how we did that, keep watching. going to talk about the products that we used. Okay, now we're going to start off with our brushes. I'd like to just jump back to our unboxing when we did open the brushes, and I explained to you that there were no names on the brushes for what each one was for. However, on the back of the box, it tells what each brush is for. That's a little confusing sometimes because, take for instance, it says big blending brush, then it says pointed blending brush, tapered blending brush. Okay, this is definitely a professional brush set because they would know, okay, which one. I'm gathering this one is the big blending brush, and this one would be the medium blending brush, okay, and then the tapered and such, okay, but it would be so much better if it was actually listed on each of the brush handles. Okay, so let's just go to the next one while we're still talking about our brushes. So the next item that we used, of course, was this beautiful eyeshadow palette. The color story in this was amazing. It was amazing. In this beautiful color story that is right here, I used 6 of the shades. I used Mustard, Marsh, Pigeon, Fly, Jam, and Mud. That means the blue and this shimmery dark one right here are the only 2 that I did not use. Now, I will tell you, they were a little powdery, but I don't care because the color payoff was amazing. They blended very well. I'm going to post a picture up here of me without my glasses on so you can see just how well these colors blended together beautifully, absolutely beautifully. Now, it did also come with a mirror, okay? There we go. Now, so I have to tell you, I definitely enjoyed using them. I definitely enjoyed using them with this palette, okay? So then, the next item and the last item that I used was by Rock Chic. This lippy is bomb. It is bomb, okay? And I love that it is matte. So that's the next item. This is what the actual lippy looks like, okay? So I definitely enjoyed my Beem Box this month, as always, okay? So I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone. If you received the Beem Box and you created a look, share it with me. I'd be happy to know. You can leave it down below and I will go and check it out, okay? So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.